Hello everyone. So you all have taken IPMAT Indore aptitude test today and I am here to present the analysis. So we will analyze the section one by one and also I will compare the test with the difficulty level of the last year's pattern. So if we talk about the entire selection process, there are two stages. First is aptitude test that you appeared today and it is given 65% weightage, and those students who clear this aptitude test will undergo a personal interview which is given 35% weightage, and the current intake in IIM Indore is 150. Exam pattern, there were 3 sections. Number of questions in quantitative ability short answer section were 15, then MCQ 30 and verbal ability 45 questions, and the time allotted for each of this section was 40 minutes. And marking pattern, as you all are aware that a correct answer will fetch 4 marks and there will be a negative marking of 25% except for the QA short answer section where there is no negative marking. So let us analyze the sections one by one. The questions in quantitative ability short answer section were based on the topics like functions, statistics, ratio, simple interest, triangles, matrices and determinants, coordinate geometry, and ideal number of attempts in this section is in the range of 10 to 12. If we talk about quantitative ability MCQ section, then you can see on the screen these are the topics which were tested, and there was one case on logical reasoning comprised 5 questions, and the difficulty level of this particular case was high. So an ideal number of attempts in this section should be in the range of 14 to 16. If we talk about verbal ability section, these were the areas tested and ideal number of attempts should be 38 to 40. Now if we talk about the overall expected cutoff, so there are like various factors that will affect the cutoff. For example, if I talk about quantitative ability short answer, so the difficulty level of this particular section was easier than the last year, so cutoff will increase, but also the number of test takers has gone up. So these two factors will increase the cutoff, and last year the cutoff was for this section was 12 marks. This year we are expected it to be around 28. If we talk about verbal ability MCQ, the cutoff was, last year the cutoff was 39. This year, though the number of test takers have increased, but the difficulty level of the LR case was more. So many students spend a lot of time in that. So the cutoff will be more or less similar to that of here, and the expected cutoff in this section is 41, and for verbal ability the difficulty level was same as that of last year, so the cutoff will be expected to be 125. Thank you.